Alright guys, today we are going to be... Oh shit. Alright guys, today we are going to be reviewing pepper jack cheese in Hell's Gate. This is apparently one of the most haunted places in Lubbock. AZTECHS got hanged here whenever foreigner crackers came here. So we're gonna go over there and we're gonna review some goddamn Wisconsin cheese. Oh shit, is Hannah coming? Yeah, Hannah! Woo, woo, woo!
You let me know when to cut, so.
Alright. We only have 15 minutes left of footage.
It might take us.
Whenever you want.
I'm gonna cut right now, because it's gonna take us a little bit to get over there.
This shit literally looks like something out of a goddamn horror movie, not to scare the shit out of Hannah. Sorry I said that to you, Hannah. That's making things so much worse right now.
Hold up.
Don't!
Stop.
You see, Seth, that is exactly what you're not supposed to do when we're... Alright, I'm cutting.
Alright.
Action.
Penis. Alright, we're gonna go over here and we're gonna... This is Hell's Gate. This is something out of a horror movie. And this is where people like Aztecs were actually hanged and stuff. And today we're going to be ghost hunting and reviewing pepper jack cheese.
Is there any more?
Is that it?
Yeah, this is the bridge, and then you can go up.
We have 11 minutes of battery.
Wow. This is honestly, I was expecting something like 10 times worse, to be honest. Alright. Let's get this shit over with. We're like the real fucking like Shaggy over here. Do you ever just like casually like just eat cheese where like people were hanged and stuff? Like, imagine being hanged here and then you just see, you're looking up from heaven and then you see this. That is so fucking good. I fucking love pepper jack. Oh yeah. Give it to me, baby. Alright, maybe we should stop recording. I don't have any idea for jokes.
Action!
We're on a ghost hunt. I don't think we don't know how to weed about. You ain't gonna do shit. You ain't gonna do shit. Come out, pussy. We need to do the ghost call.
Is that your pepper spray?
Oh shit, my pepper spray.
What the fuck?
Oh shit. Damn, they dug a hole for my channel because it's fucking dead. No, I'm not gonna do that shit. I don't get paid enough for this shit. You guys fuck dick as an audience, as subscribers. Like, Zoink Scoop, I heard a... Like, Zoink Scoop, hide your shoes. We're Reggie, we're riggers. Alright guys, this is what you need to hunt ghosts. You need the confidence of a house cat. You need a severe 6-year porn addiction, cheese, and a knife. If you have all of those, you're good. And an Australian accent.
And 2 people to bring you.
Yeah.
Cameraman.
And Jack's the cameraman, by the way. Jackson Gregory Ball.
Oh, I tried.
You fucking dumbass.
I tried to.
Wow.
Do you want me to? Yeah, I got this.
It's good.
I got.
All right.
I got this
I
nigga.
got the headset.
I got this nigga.
Dude, you're freaking filming. You just said the N-word.
This is staying in the video.
Okay.
I'm the cameraman now.
Okay. Are you gonna introduce me? That's the shit. I dare you.
No. Jack. No, Bose, you won't. See, guys, fucking dogs are out here. There's a fucking, like, one of those airline things. This isn't scary. The only thing scary is Josh's File's mom. Alright, guys, we pretty much broke, like, every single horror movie rule that we could think of. We're super teenagers. Oh god, I could have said something, but I'm glad I didn't. Jack, we forgot the first thing in a horror movie. We need like 6 sex scenes.
Oh my god. Don't act like you didn't just say that.
That's why the ghost didn't come out.
I'm gonna act like you didn't just say that.
Alright guys, we made it back to the car. Welcome back to the niggermobile.
You know what, you're leaving that.
I forgot to review the fucking pepper jack. I didn't even fucking say. Oh shit, guys, let me make sure I have everything. Alright, Jack, who did you think was gonna die first?
Honestly, probably you said.
Damn.
I second that.
I hope I died as well.
You said a lot of controversial stuff out there.
Yeah.
The ghosts are gonna cancel
We
me.
went over the plan before, and you just fucking threw the plan out the window.
We needed to get the ghost.
We didn't even get to ask them any questions.
How about we get these perverts in the car over there?
But let's film them.
Alright.
We gave you specific instructions, and I think you broke almost every rule we had.
Yeah. Here they are.
I mean, we were. I think we should joust this guy. I think we should speed race him. But yeah, that pepper jack cheese was really fucking good. Like by itself, it's fucking good. On crackers, it's fucking good. I have like the munchies, even though I don't get high. So I was just fucking craving cheese for some
I
reason.
like how you introduced Jack and not me.
Oh, this is Hannah, by the way.
I swear he's. Well, when you came out of the car, we recorded that whole thing.
Did you guys see anything spooky?
Yeah, you.
Damn.
Oh man, I got scared when I was out there by myself. Something fucking made a noise, and it was a loud fucking drop.
I was expecting the bridge to be like 10 times bigger.
You know what? Okay, I'm not even lying that I heard something like fall. Imagine if it was like the ghost of like the hanging.
Yeah, that's what happened.
I think they would have came out whenever I said, imagine
no,
like...
when I went out there by myself, I fucking heard something fall, and it scared the shit out of me.
Yeah, we were watching. You were like, is he fucking running? And that's why I kind of started the car. Got out of the parked position. And I was ready to go.
There you guys have it. We just fucking reviewed cheese while hunting ghosts in an abandoned bridge where people where people got hanged and lynched. Don't tell me lynched is only a black people thing. Don't tell me that.
Seth, no.
I honestly want to know.
I don't know. I don't know if I should have anything to say right now.
Oh, alright, I'll turn off the video if you give me the answer.
Ask Hannah. I don't
No,
know.
I'm not answering these questions. Not a weird thing to think about.
This is some good ASMR, like. now like I can hear like everything on the mic. Oh yeah.
Alright.
You've made it. You lived, so.
You lived.
Honestly, I feel like the scariest part was just seeing people come by, which we didn't even film.
You can go around again.
Nah, I have like 5 minutes of
Seth,
footage left.
If we send you out there by yourself, by the Hell's Gates, I'm pretty sure you'd be scared.
Bet. You want a part 2 to this?
Yeah, we'll go around.
Do you want us to go back and take you there?
I have 4 minutes of footage
That's
left.
enough. If you stop recording, that's enough for you to go over there and record your reactions.
No, we got to do a part 2 with Riley.
He's afraid.
We got to do. Nigga, I wasn't afraid. I was saying like ooga booga, and then you guys fucking.
Go by yourself and do it.
You guys shit your pants because I was yelling
I
racial
shit
slurs.
my pants. I've never shit my pants.
I'm more scared to see what everyone says about you saying the N-word on camera than you getting possessed by ghosts.
I mean, I've literally told my audience to kill themselves, and that I wouldn't care if they did.
Still
So,
rolling?
Yes. You still feel.
is there anything you want to say to the camera, Hannah?
No, I don't think there is.
I think we're gonna get a part 2 in the future.
Yeah. The shit better do well on fucking YouTube. I'm gonna be fucking pissed
Don't
if
run
you.
right there.
Oh shit, is that a ghost? Wait.
You're looking the wrong way.
Wait, what was that?
It was a fat dude outside the car, just with the door open, and I don't know what the fuck he was doing.
Oh yeah, fat people always are the murderers. I'm not even saying that like sarcastically or because I was offended. Like I actually believe that. Fat people.
John Wayne Gacy.
No, fat people are either nice or turn out to be serial killers.
Cut the camera, cut the